Right, welcome everybody. In our topping for tonight is Killers in the Kitchen, the 1st of December. So just a month before the new year. So let's see if we can do something about
More
our.
importantly, 24 days before Christmas.
Yes, and that we do something about our health in the new year. So this is a great start. Start a little bit before. Right, home and environmental care. Um, this is just a few things to tell you how toxic the world is around us, and then we will find a solution. So don't get worried about it. We have the solution.
Well, the guy last week he said he wants to get up and go now, please.
Okay, so because of household cleaners, housewives have a 55% higher risk of getting cancer. And that was a study done by the Vancouver consultancy firm. And the EPA, which is the Environment Protection Agency, report that toxic chemicals in cleaning and personal care products are 3 times more likely to cause cancer than airborne pollutants. So you can see the things you can do something about. You can make a huge difference because there are things out there which we can't do anything about it. Right, this was studies have found that indoor air quality can be up to 100 times more toxic than outdoor, leading to complications such as severe hormonal disruptions. And especially this time of the year in Europe and here in the UK, we don't open a window. Everything is closed up to keep the warm in, especially because the heating is so expensive. So we sit with these toxins indoors all the time. So it is pretty important that you don't have any toxins in your house. The Consumer Product Safety Commission report, they identified 150 chemicals which had been linked to allergies, birth defects, cancer, and psychological abnormalities. And young children inhale 3 times more contaminants than adults because of higher respiratory rates and having weaker immune systems. So remember, up to 18 years old, for a child, the immune system is still not fully developed. Everything in the body works on developing the immune system. That's why they say no alcohol till 18. It's not just because it's not good to drink alcohol for children, but it is specifically because of that reason as well. And if you look at a little baby and you see how they breathe, you will see they breathe much faster than what we breathe. So they get it in more quicker. Then manufacturers added 30 plus toxic ingredients into air fresheners, diffusers, and deodorants instead of just using essential oils. So that candles which you're burning in your house, it is busy killing you. Warning to pregnant moms, an average of 200 cancer-causing chemicals, including a number of pesticides, have been found in the blood of the umbilical cords of babies. And I remember when my daughter in Cape Town had a baby, they were thinking of, saving the umbilical cord. They keep it for later, that if anything happens to your child where they need that type of
For stem
treatment,
cells.
like stem cells and things, then they can use that umbilical cord for it. But if there's 200 cancer causing chemicals in that, what is the point of keeping it and pay all that money to keep it? 500,000 miscarriages in early stages are reported annually. 24,000 miscarriages in the later stage or have stillborn babies, and 150,000 babies are born with defects without any known causes. There are 100,000 chemicals, of which less than 10% have been tested for health effects because it's all about saving money. They are not investing in testing all these chemicals because it is like an ostrich. You put your head in the sand, if they don't know about it, then they don't have to feel bad about it. So let's not test it. But if we look on how many young women now have miscarriages, problems with birth, all that types of things, then we understand better. Antibacterial cleaners. It may contain triclosan, which is absorbed through the skin and can be tied to liver cancer. So if you have a cleaning product in your house and one of the ingredients is triclosan, throw it in the bin, is all I can say. Bleach. It is a strong corrosive. It will irritate or burn the skin, eyes, and respiratory tract. Bleach is very, very dangerous because, people put it under the kitchen sink, where we normally put our cleaning products, and the young kiddies play and they get into it. And you can ask the nurses who work with these young kiddies. There are lots of these kids come in to A&E after they drank this stuff. Never mix bleach with acid toilet bowl cleaner or ammonia. These mixtures may produce fumes which can be deadly. Then dishwasher detergents. Most products contain chlorine in a dry form, which is highly concentrated. The number one cause of household poisoning is washing up liquid. Now there, if you look at the dishwashing detergents, that pills which you put in your machine, remember, you put the machine on tonight, tomorrow morning, you just pack it out, pack it back into the cupboard. You're not going to rinse the plates. You're not going to dry them. You just pack it away. So every time you use it in your machine, every time that dry chlorine sits on your plates and the chemical sits on your plate, and when you eat tomorrow, you get a little bit in. So imagine over years and years how much you actually get in. Oven cleaners, one of the most toxic products people use. They contain lye and ammonia, which eat the skin, and the fumes linger and affect the respiratory system. I remember that was now 30 plus years ago, when you used to use a ZEP in South Africa. You sort of sprayed the oven and not inhale, put your hand over your nose, and then you run outside after you sprayed it so that, you get away from the fumes. And now you know why. Then this was something which happened quite a few years ago here in the UK. It is this Brian's daughter Kirsten says the family had no idea his clothing was a fire risk. Now Brian, he was 82 from Bradfield in West Yorkshire. He died not last September, it's a few years ago, after being set on fire. It believes cigarettes, embers, spark, paraffin residue from his skin cream and set his clothes alight. So it's actually his skin cream who killed him after the cigarettes, got onto the skin. And we all know about Johnson & Johnson. They had a payout a few years ago. And now that I see this, about 3 weeks ago, I had a stall at our church, and there was a guy who worked for Johnson & Johnson, and he told me, because he was so clued up about everything I was telling him, and I said, "Oh, you know a lot. Where do you work?" And he said, "Well, I worked for Johnson & Johnson." I said, "Oh, so you were the people who were sued?" And he said, "Yes." Because the woman got ovarian cancer, and she sued Johnson & Johnson, the baby powder. I'm so glad I never used these products. Right, toxic indoor pollutants. There you can see seed oil cooking, bleach, the microplastics in carpets, the laundry detergents, in furnitures, there are flame retardants, window cleaners, surface cleaners, mold, and also that synthetic fragrances which people love to put everywhere in the house, that the house can smell nicely. Right, and then you can go and Google this, Dirty Dozen, the list of endocrine disruptors. There are the 12 most famous Dirty Dozen, or endocrine disruptor is a hormone disruptor which you have in your house. So it keep on disturbing your hormones. So actually when you're diabetic, you can your cleaning products can aggravate your diabetes. Your cleaning products can prevent you from losing weight because it's all about hormones. So, it sounds funny, but it's a catchphrase which you can use because people don't understand that. Right, let's look at what is the solution. We have a fantastic golden product home care range. There you see it is the LDC, it's a Super 10, it's a soft, and South Africa and Africa are so fortunate. They have Care, which is a disinfectant. They have Lemon Glow, which is a furniture polish. They have Super Grow, which is great for plants. They have Oxygen Bleach. And they have so many fantastic cleaning products. When I go to South Africa, I normally bring myself a case of Care back because I'm not prepared to use the bleaches and the Dettol and that type of thing to disinfect at home. When I hurt my hand, I didn't go for all these chemical disinfectant. I used the Care on my hand. So that really helps. Right, the advantages. There is now, well, it's now probably over 7 decades near.
It's getting close to
Close to 7 decades of effectiveness. It's extremely economical because it's highly concentrated. The company don't sell water. They sell you a liter or 5 liter or 25 liter of concentrates. Obviously, the bigger the amount you buy, the cheaper the product become. I normally buy 5 liter. A 5 liter lasts me 6 months to a year. But if you know of cleaning companies or abattoirs or that types of things, you can sell them 25 liter at a time. It works out so much cheaper. It's multi-purpose. One thing is for all. It is super concentrated, environmental friendly. You can drink the cleaning products and you won't end up in A&E. It's biodegradable and ozone friendly. It is no toxic fumes, no harsh chemicals. It's non-inflammable, non-volatile, and non-toxic. What fantastic products. I mean, just think about it. It is all in one go. Right. When we get to the laundry compound, you can use it for a semi or a fully automatic washing machine. You can also hand wash with it, but if you wash delicates, it's better to use the LDC. But remember, the first time you use our washing powder, you need to put an old towel in to remove the build-up of residue in your machine because it cleans out your filters, and if you put your clothes in for the first wash, your clothes will come out gray. So use an old towel to first clean out your machine. And there's definitely a saving because you only use 15 grams per wash. In the UK, we have a bigger scoop than in South Africa. In South Africa, they literally have 3 teaspoons of washing powder. I use a 3/4 scoop, which is normally in the box. It's safe on all washable fabrics. It's 100% pure active soap powder. There's no fillers in it. Remember, according to law, you're allowed to put fillers in it to get the weight up. And that is when you iron it, that's when your clothes shine. If you have something which is really dirty and you must make like a paste, then you use the Super 10 and the G1 and you make a paste and you put it onto whatever, like if you had red wine or lipstick or things like that, you will put that on your clothes. I normally then lie it overnight in a bucket, and tomorrow morning it's fine. In the toilet, you can sprinkle your toilet bowl. I normally, when I know we go away, then I will sprinkle my toilet bowl with the G1. And then when I come back, I just brush and flush, and it's nice and clean again. And in my dishwasher, I use a 1/4 teaspoon, then 1/2 teaspoon LDC and 1/2 teaspoon Super 10. But there you're going to have to see what worked for your machine. I had to change this a few times to make sure that I know what worked for my machine and that my things come out clean at the other end. Then there's this fabric softener with a wildflower fragrance, and it's also highly concentrated. You only use the tot of the of the bottle. What I normally do when my soft comes, I divided it into 3 bottles and I fill it up with water. Then, I'm not worried about just using a tot. I just fill the little thing in my wash machine. It is for hand wash or machine wash. You use 5 milliliter per 5 kilogram wash. For hand wash, you can use 5 milliliter to 10 liter of wash. It also make a very nice, if you put it in a toilet spray, it give it a nice flavor. It does not discolor whites and reduce ironing times. With regular use, it builds a hygienic effect to prevent skin irritation. And there I can tell you, if I use normal washing powder, Chris it irritates his skin and he gets rashes everywhere where the cuffs go or around the neck. So this is the only soap he can use. So wherever we travel, I always have to put some soap in a little container.
I came into this world with a sensitivity warning attached.
So you have a very sensitive skin. Also, my younger daughter, she have a very sensitive skin. She could never wear disposable nappies. So this was really a lifesaver for me. For carpets, you can put a few drops concentrate in a spray bottle and spray lightly. Don't soak it, and make anti-static solution. And it's also a very nice smell if you spray it on your carpet and then you vacuum clean, especially if you have animals in the house. Now we get to the LDC. We can use that on fruits and vegetables to remove the pesticides and other poisons. A few drops in a vase make your flowers go longer. It is for dishwashing, and it also helps, if you put that in a bath, it doesn't make a ring around the bath as for your sink as well. It keeps the oil in suspension. It is very soft on the hands. It removes stains from nylon, cotton, polyester, lycra, latex, etc.
That's when Frank wears his lycra, you see, then it has to be soft, Frank.
Hi, I'm Tracy, I'm from London, and I'd like to introduce you to our Golden LDC. It's an organic light duty cleaner. You can actually use this for your vegetables, dishwashing, shaving, bubble bath, hand soap. You can clean the surfaces with it. It's used for all different types of product, all different cleaning items. But there's also markings on the bottle. It's highly concentrated. You only need to put a tiny little drop in the bottom. Then you just fill the rest with water. And I'm actually going to demonstrate you how we actually wash a vegetable with it. This is a organic broccoli that I've just opened and unsealed. You can see the organic seal on the packet. If I take that off, you can actually see there is actually slight grey colouring to it, and that is just the coating that is on top of the broccoli. When you buy an organic broccoli, you can actually, just means that you can actually wash the surface and clean the actual pesticide that's actually on the top of the product. I'm going to show you our LDC and how it works. I'm going to pour some water in the sink with a couple of drops of LDC. You can see that it froths up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse the broccoli with the LDC. And what I'm going to do, for just a moment, I'm actually going to first show you what happens beforehand. If you can watch this for a moment, I'm going to show you that as you pour the water on, you can actually see that the water actually runs over the top of the broccoli. It doesn't go through it. It's a bit like an umbrella covering, really, to protect the broccoli from all the insects. But we're going to show you that you can actually wash that off before you actually eat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just gently wash it in the LDC. Just give it a couple of little swishes round. And what you will actually see is I'm now going to rinse it back off again. And what you will actually see is, first of all, is look at the colour difference between the two products. One is dark green and one is very grey. So what I'm actually going to show you is how the water no longer pours just over the top. You can actually see that the water runs through the broccoli itself. And once I rinse the LDC off, you will actually again be able to see correctly the difference in the colour of the broccoli. And that's just to show you, if you pour that one over the top, you can actually see again that runs over and that one runs through. Hi,
Right. LDC is also very, very good for jewelry. So it's good to keep your jewelry on when you wash the dishes because you are polishing your jewelry as well.
Yeah, that's why the ladies have to do the dishes to keep your jewelry clean.
And then shaving, Chris shave with it. It's very good for his sensitive skin. It is a very good pet shampoo for camping. You only take the LDC and it replaces all that other cleaning products. If you mix it 1 to 2, you can, for your keyboard of your computer, it can remove makeup. If kids have lice, um, you can actually not make it 1 to 2, just take it neat and you rub it into the scalp and you leave it for a while and then you can wash the hair and then it will kill the lice. It also removes bubblegum or chewing gum from children's hair. It removes that marks of plaster. Good for the swimming pool. Just don't do what Anna Maria do and put a whole liter into somebody's swimming pool. It was just bubbles. Make sure that you know it's 240 milliliter on 45,000 liters of water. Very good for blocked drains. You can put it neat into a blocked drain. It will help to open the drain. I must say we never struggle with blocked drains, and that is probably because we use LDC all the time. And also good for a windscreen. Chris put it in the car, in in the water, which we use the windscreen for. And it also helped the oil polluted penguins in South Africa. It saved all that penguins. That was the only detergent that is successful in removing thick crude oil effectively without killing the birds and without any harsh or negative side effects. It helps with the feathering regain natural waterproofing because if that didn't happen, then the penguins don't eat and the penguins die. So this was in South Africa about, I'll say it was about 26, 27 years ago. When the tanker there in Cape Town in the harbor sank and all that oil was spilled and they thought it's going to wipe out the whole community of penguins. And here's a little video for you on it.
LDC is a light-duty cleaner used to wash dishes, hand washables and many other soiled surfaces. At Sancar, the product is used for the cleaning or de-oiling of seabirds. It is a thorough but delicate process beginning with the application of a canola oil solution before the birds are washed in a warm LDC solution. The LDC is tough enough to remove the oil yet still gentle on the penguin's body. The entire washing and rinsing process takes between 30 to 40 minutes before the birds are placed in drying pens under infrared heat lamps that speed up the drying process. LDC is gentle on hands, 100% biodegradable and phosphate free.
And my daughter worked for Pepco Africa, and they every year take people there to the penguins. And she said that poster is still up in Cape Town saying how the LDC saved the penguins. Right, now we get to Super 10, a heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner, especially for petroleum-based stains. It's equally as effective in hard bake ovens as on precious carpets. But please remember, I have a small little Persian carpet and I can use the Super 10 on it. But if it's a fake carpet, don't use it on it because the Super 10 will take it back to its original form. It's safe to use on any surface where you can use water on.
Hi, I'm Tracy from London. I'd like to introduce you to our Golden Super 10. It's an organic general purpose cleaner. It's biodegradable, and the best thing about it is it's actually concentrated. We actually use it and make it diluted with water. So the markings are on the bottle. So all you do is you fill the bottle up to where you need to, and then you add the water to it. It can get rid of all the toxins that are in your home. I just want to show you a little demonstration on our carpet. If you can see, this is a normal carpet. I'm just going to put regular Crown on the carpet, and I'm just going to go a couple of sprays with our Super 10 and just gently rub it in so you can see, and then I'm just going to blot it with some tissue. As you can see, it actually removes the product very easily. It's a great way to clean your carpets. You can put it into your carpet cleaner as well. You can wash your leather sofas with it. You can wash leather cars. You can use it in your car. You can use it on your oven. You can use it on the surfaces all around your home. This is the only one I have in my house now. And if you are interested in this product, please contact the person who sent you this video.
Right, so Super 10 diluted 1 to 10. It's for stained toilets, permanent ink marks, lipsticks and crayon marks, blood stains, hard water stains, red wine stains. There you can ask Frank. He tipped a red wine on our
beige
on
carpet.
our brand new wool carpet, and we got it all out with Super 10. So no need to feel bad, Frank. Then for sugar, ants, mosquitoes, spiders. Man, it work on a spider. I'm terrified of spiders, but if they come close, I spray them. Spot cleaning laundry like collars and cuffs, and all. There you go, collars and cuffs. Then dilute 1 to 3 is for floor stripping. So remember, if you have a floor which have a layer over it, don't use Super 10 if you don't want to strip the floor. It's for car engines. You make the same with a stove. You make it lukewarm and then you spray it with Super 10. Then it cleans much easier. For radiators, hard-baked ovens, oil marks on cement, mildew on shower tiles, you spray it on, you wait an hour and you clean it with a sponge. And this is our backyard. Like this time of the year, we don't do anything outside. It's too cold. And then grow on, I don't know, it grows. The moss grow on the tiles. And then after, when the sun comes out again next year in March, then Chris put Super 10 in a bucket and he just poured it over it all, and he take a broom and he just leave it for a while and he broom it off, and there you go. This was a roof which he worked on quite a few years ago as well. The guy wanted to replace the whole roof because all the tiles look like the tiles at the right. And then there was a storm and lots of the tiles came off. So Henning at that stage was helping Chris, and he put it all in the bath, and he put Super 10 over it overnight, and the next morning he just washed it off, and all the tiles look like the left. And Chris saved the guy about £3,000 for a new roof. He could use all the old tiles and it looked brand new. Right, then 1 bottle of Super 10 prevents 20 or more bottles of other specialty products from being dumped in landfills. A recent estimation on this subject was that Super 10 and LDC have prevented over 450 million bottles from being thrown away into our dumps. So we also help to save the environment and not have so much plastic, because you use your same old mixing and spray bottle and you just keep on refilling it all the time. So the cleaning products work out much cheaper than the stuff in the shops. 7,000 tons of waste is dumped in landfills every day in Cape Town. So, we have to start looking after the environment. So be safe while you save. By using our own golden products, we not only leave the world a healthier place, but we also save money. It is just to have your initial buy of the products. Thereafter, if you save the money every month which you use to buy all the different cleaning products, you will see the end of the year that you actually save a lot of money. That's why I can't understand when people are in this business and they don't use their own cleaning products, because everybody have to clean their house. Why not buy from yourself? The average household will save more or less 67% per year on your cleaning budget. And then come Christmas like now, you will have more money to buy Christmas presents. So seeing that we're going shortly into the
You won't have
year,
any money left for Christmas. You would have spent it on Black Friday.
so please start buying from yourself, even if this is the only thing you use. Save money, save the environment. Now, tough times don't last. Tough people do. Thank you.